Okay, and I think I should be live right now. It's still quite early in the morning, so I won't talk too loudly. Right now it's 6:10. I was supposed to start 1 hour ago, but OBS decided to not display my scenes anymore. What else happened? Well, my migraine is back. Yeah. Okay, so, well, I changed the stream a little bit. So let's quickly go through all the things. So we have my start screen that you already seen. We have my Be Right Back screen. Oh, voila. Oh, whoops. I'm showing everything now. It's been some time since I did streaming, so yeah. Let's get used to the controls again. But yeah, yesterday I spent a lot of time trying to create these scenes together with my wife. My wife mainly made these screens that I will show now. Voila. I'm mainly focused on getting these two working. There's a chat now on screen. Anyway, let's show my screen and let's get some work done. And as drink, I got orange juice for now. On the bottom of the screen, I do have the whole Kohi goal thing. I didn't know what to set. I want to have like a, for the stream only goal. So I put let's make a relaxing coffee. I do wonder when my kid will wake up though. But where was I? Okay. So normally I can add clips. Let's just add some. Let's add something to the screen. We cannot move everything yet. We also don't have any view yet. So let's start with so there are two things that I can do right now. I can or work on the moving of the clips, the moving and the resizing, or I can work on displaying the actual image. Well, let's try. Let's do the moving. Oops. So we have the whole can drop data thing. I have not done that yet. So for new clips, I should probably explain a little bit of what's going on here. So, oh, maybe I have it open here. Okay, so all the data that you drag from the file manager, from the media pool to the timeline, gets this draggable class as the data itself. And here we use bytes, so if the first byte is a 0, then it's a clip. Otherwise, it's a new clip, else it's to move the clip. If there are multiple, so clips, move clips, then the second byte is a 1. So that's how we go over that data to know what it is. Because new clips, when we drag in a new clip, we don't want the mouse cursor to be completely in the oh, that's something we need to fix. The moment that I go too close, why is that? Okay. So this is calling to being called too early. How about we delete this one? Okay, that's all it. I do remember I need to clear this stat log because if it gets too big, Godot just crashes for me. I don't know what's up with that, but... there's another conversion happening here. There are a couple happening. Okay. Float is converted to int and lose precision. Oh, that's probably... Is track padding also floats? Let's first fix this. And then let's try to get clips moving and resizing inside of the stream. I think that will be a good thing for today. Oh, whoops. Yeah, no. Okay. Next one. Okay. The debug things are gone. Let's start concentrating on moving. So if we drag a clip, so no, we have a button, so selected clips. Cats throw, no. Let's look at fast panel how I did this. So when we create file box, okay, file button. Okay, get track data. Okay, int type. This will be a draggable dot move clip, and I need data, so I can basically return this directly. Let's get rid of pass, and now we need the data packed int array. What was it? Data again. So draggable data for move user clip IDs. So we just got name dot to int. Okay, so normally this should work. To do. There is another problem. I think I kind of prepared for this, so I think it's no. Inside of server kana. Clip handling, nope. Not clip handling? Ah, clip moving. Hi, okay. Oh. Because then server dot clip moving is true. We need to find a way though to like check if you're still moving or not. So that will be a small problem now. Can people actually hear me right now? I actually have no idea. Oh yeah, no. My voice is... Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Why? My chat is not being updated at all. Wait. Let's try again. Oh, wow. Oh, sorry. Hey. This entire time I thought I was alone, just people staring in the background. Yes, Neovim. That's Neovim. How are you guys doing? Having a good morning, evening, afternoon? So clip moving. I will need to check my phone if it's actually working every now and then. I don't know why the chat was not updating. Let's put the chat mode on. This side, let's put it here. Gonna sleep soon. Drawing something. I actually have an idea for today. People know the whole like Bob Ross drawings. I kind of wonder how will it be if you try that with a pencil. I cannot paint, but I can also not draw. So I think that will... Oh, that will be kind of fun. Oh, oopsie. Uh-oh. Why? Invalid of key text with value of type string based on null. Oh, whoops. Okay, that will solve that problem. Oops. Oh, I'm kind of distracted just now. How do I solve the whole moving? Because the moment that I start trying to move, it also moves the timeline. Even just for a bit, that's not really ideal now. Okay. func on button up. Let's try again. Nope. Could we have any scene with like a button in? I think main scene? Nope. Okay, so just button up and button down kinda. Let's quickly reset. Okay, and normally this should work now. Hopefully. Okay, no, it doesn't. Or something I could do is just remove like the whole clip moving stuff. And I just make the button, so if choose for add, go to add clip. I set mouse filter to stop. So if you do this, okay. So back to the moving. So we have the snap limits. We don't set the duration of the file anymore, but we need the clip data instead. The offset is still something we need, I think. Why do I put offset in here? Okay, well, let's just copy these, paste, clip data project, and here we go to clips, a data, and it's the first one, because right now we don't support moving multiple clips at once. The file duration, Does clip data have duration? Yes. Of course, this one crashes again. But then this position should get the position from where the mouse is located. So this BTS is not correct. Okay, set preview, what is this one? Okay, we set the duration instead of set preview, so that sets the size of it. So that's not something we need to take in mind. Normally, my brain works better in the morning. Oh, I guess we can just copy it without any problems. So for L snap, which is an integer. Oh. Snap limits. Now we don't have L data tree anymore, so we have pre-zoom. No. We have pre-mouse position, but for pre-mouse position we need to no, we use the soda. It's not, yeah, no. Oh, whoops. So this should really be a data, and we take the last one, so we just add it to the last thing. But that means instead of here, gets huh? Oops. That does exist, so oh wait, no. Cat local mouse position not found in base self. Why? Oh, soda. That's a packed int array, so we cannot do this. Okay, so what we need to do is create a new variable. We'll need the x, I think. Yeah. But that needs us to change the draggable data. We just add a new variable data and mouse pos, which is a float. Don't set any default data. But in here we add a pos, and that is a float. So mouse pos is a pos, and now normally if I run this should work. I'm now paranoid that the chat will keep bugging out. Nope. Okay. Okay, default on 0, that should fix that problem. Oh. Only string and string name can be used as index for type draggable but received int. Oh, whoops. We don't actually need to even like put this in an extra variable, so yeah, well, it should basically be working now. So we start this. Yep, starts up again. So we can start following my previous script again from GoZen lights. If fits, I really changed a lot about this entire function. Like, it's something I really want to make a video about because the amount of stuff I changed inside of this timeline thing. So the previous methods, we would create 2 ranges for every single round, which kind of memory and CPU intensive. But that was not everything. If you go to our projects, if you go to our project file, I don't know where it is, probably at the end. Get npts, no, whoops. Yeah, add clip time data. So how can I best show this? So let's just use GIMP. And let's make the background black. So the way that everything was working, we had our array. So we every time a clip got added, for example, it went from frame 0 to frame 10, we would add a number in a packed int array. So all the way until 10. That was causing a lot of performance issues because every single time when we add a new clip, we add the data. So for example, we add a clip from 15 till 30. So it will do the same thing. It will just append to the array till 30. The problem happens is the moment that you decide from, I want to resize this clip. So all the data, for example, we resize from the clip from 0 to 10, we resize it to 5. So it needs to delete 5 entries from that list and then change it. And that was causing kind of a performance issue. I cannot draw. That it would keep causing a lot of issues, and especially the whole removing of data. This like remove clip time data. This was causing a lot of issues. I was able to figure a better system out. Right now, we only save. We maybe add a clip. Nope. I need to go to project for this. If we add a clip, we only add the PTS and that's about it. So every track array, instead of having all of this data in a separate array, we basically only have our track data, which is basically, okay, we have a clip that starts at frame 5. We have a clip that starts at frame 30. So instead of having a video of like 10 minutes at 30 FPS, that's, yeah, quite a lot of frames, quite a lot of data to fill inside of this whole timestamp data thing. So right now, that would only look like this in an array that you already have. So big saving in data. And CPU, we don't need to calculate the whole range anymore. Okay, so yeah, so a lot of things have changed performance-wise. Let's quickly check. I'm so annoyed that the phone did not read the chat properly. Oh, my kid woke up. Okay. Oh, oops. Yeah. I should probably head to the correct area. It's timeline box. So fits. I think we should probably just copy this. So we have our track ID, duration, and what else do we need for this? Oh. For some reason, my auto-completion is not working again. My LPTS, no, LPTS, and we do that plus L snap. And we have the same for minus L snap. Normally it should start at 0, so if there's nothing at 0, then we can check the other ones. L offset is L snap. This will be break. And this will be a negative L snap. And if that happens, we basically check for this. So if the L offset is still at minus 1000, then it means nothing was changed. So we can go over to making it visible. So track ID. But for this we need the mouse position. So oh wait. Yep. We need to add the mouse position here. This is minus a data dot mouse position. But now PTS is a integer and we need an integer, so I don't like any errors happening right now. Okay, cool. Fit not found in base self, Nanda? Wait, why did this all change to... Oh, whoops, no, I'm an idiot. Hello, hello. This is something that I don't like about the application. We have the heart blocking the chat, so I can probably zoom in on the chat here. Good morning. Yeah, morning indeed. I've been awake since how long? Well, since 5 o'clock. I woke up 1 minute before my alarm clock like usual. How are you doing? It's been some time since I've been streaming, yeah. So we need the previous size. No, the previous size and the previous size is being handled by set preview now. Yeah, landscape mode. Something I'm doing is I'm zooming in, like on Android, you can zoom in on the video itself. So I'm just zooming in on the chat. Whoops. I don't know about landscape mode. Oh wait, eh? Okay, landscape mode works apparently. It does not. Why does that thing not appear there? Okay, let's just try this and see if it works. Probably not, because nothing works directly. So we add a clip and then we move it around. Okay, so we can move the clip. The dropping does not. The dropping does not work, but for some reason, oh. Oh. Yeah. Why does track 1 not work? Well, it works towards the beginning, but that's it. Okay, this will take more time than I thought. So set preview frame to... I think... I think I did prepare for this as well. Yeah, so excluded clip, we just need to add ID to fits. So a data dots. No. Okay, let's see if that works. Oops. Okay, we still cannot move it. This doesn't make sense. Okay, so the track data is not being updated at all. Okay, something is going wrong. First of all, mouse pause, I think we should no, pause the frame. Okay, this should work for the initial move, but the data is being entered wrongly instead of the project data, so that's causing issues now. Okay, the snapping is not working as well. Or the snapping is working, but it's because I'm zoomed in. I'm zoomed out. Okay, yeah, no, the snapping is working. But when we zoom in, it does not work very nicely. So we could increase the snap limit if we are zoomed out. If we're zoomed out, and it's if zoom is bigger or the same as 1, I'll also do snap limits times 2. No, it does not seem like the snap limit is working at all now. Let's just increase the snap limits. Let's put it on 100. We'll give a little bit more lag, I think, but okay, we'll probably need to reset. Invalid access to property or clip moving on. Oh. Okay, so yeah, snapping seems to work. Let me zoom out. Whoops. Yeah, it works well enough. Okay, so normally file effects, if you press this clip, we have our clip effects. I should probably get like a clip ID next to it. Maybe the name, the nickname, and the clip ID so people know which clip they're working on for the effects. Well, so clip moving is kind of working, but the data is still being saved incorrectly. Oh. Okay, let's first fix that because I've been seeing that a couple of times happening now. Func input. And a event dot is okay. Hopefully that will stop the preview to stick around. Okay, moving. This works not. Why did that not work? But I cannot put any clips in these areas anymore now. Okay. Okay, so I don't think there's anything wrong with this code at this moment, so we can skip that. Remove the clip. So it so you raise it the and the presentation timestamp from the tracks. Can't remove clip ID with PTS from tracks and so we add the clip ID to the new track, but I don't think it's getting properly deleted from the main tracks. Or when we add a clip, it's never really properly added to that track to begin with. Okay, let's just quickly do this. And here tracks A and alt. Okay, so this will tell us if the data is actually getting deleted properly or not. So color file, let's add it here. Because in the old track there is no data left, but for some reason the file is still here. We can also not put anything on here for some reason. So there's like still something hidden there. This is also what if I put a clip here and go like this? Oh. Okay, how long have I been live right now? Almost an hour. Okay, so track 1, track 2, that's correct. You move this one over here. Oh wait, eh? Okay, I have no idea what's going on. For some reason as well, like the track data is just completely empty every time. Okay, okay, that explains part of the problem. No, get nodes. No, I think I can. Oh. Project dot. No, project clip nodes. That's only used for deleting the clip. So, L nodes. Oops. This is button. So clips dot get nodes. Clip id dot clips not declared in current scope. Ah, yeah, no. Oh, wow. Clip node dot position is a factor 2. We need to change the x position to the clip, so a track times track height. No, that's a y. For this we need project.clips. Oh wait, I don't even need this. Dots. Frame to position. Okay, and this should work. Because input variant has been provided. Ah, okay. Get clip PTS. Okay, let's see if it works. Normally it should. Okay, that works. Okay, I cannot move it. I cannot move it to its own position. That's kind of a problem right now. No, I cannot move it to its own position because the mouse filter is being messed up. Ah. The button itself, that's why I put the mouse filter on. Ah, okay. So I need to put the mouse filter whilst trying to drag it. So get drag data. Or this is on the button itself. I could... No. Can I like override the... Let's see if I can override the function. If I could override the function of button up, maybe then I could make it so... No, pressed, toggled, that's it. Oh, whoops. Oops. Oh, why does it open there now? Can't remove clip ID. Okay, but this is not working. Oh, whoops. The controller will receive mouse movement inputs. Clip moving is true, but for some reason this update's kind of like too late. Oh, whoops. Okay, but this never even prints. Why does this never even print? Oh, wait, eh? Because it, gets. I know there's like a function to like get what item is being focused. Hmm? Um. Okay, I'm kind of stuck now. I thought there was a I'm probably looking over it. I thought it was a method to get the currently selected nodes. Get selected. Wait, we set it under. Ah. We set it in the past, so it should still. Get selected nodes? No. Okay, wait, how am I doing this instead of here? So we have a clip inside of I think I bound, yeah. Yeah, I remember this. But I cannot set these directly. I think the way that I set these were, yeah, I created a scene for them. So I need to, I could bind them through the ready function in the clip. Yeah, let's do that. I have clip button. So do I need these? That's the question. Probably not. Oh, I do. Okay, so we have the ready function. We need to set, like, connect the on button down function and such. I don't think this is causing issues if I create on button down. Oh. No, those are the fans. Okay. Let's quickly close this one here. So button down dot connect. I do it on button down. Let's do the same for up. Okay, so we need to set the data correctly. I'll do a quick check of the chat. Yes. I don't trust my phone anymore with the chat. Okay, so there were still some to-dos in here. That's also not very helpful. Cat track data. Timeline.clip is being moved through. But the playhead is still moving before. On button up. Yeah, that's resizing stuff. Oh, hey! Hey, Matt. Hisashiburi. On button down. If the key is pressed space, I do remember that this was kind of an issue for the play function. If I want to start playing and I had a clip selected, it will just cause an issue. So if I've get locomo, no, that's again for the resizing stuff. That's all resizing. Else if it's dragging through. What is dragging? Right now I'm just copying a lot of the codes. Out of curiosity, are you Polish? No, raised in Belgium. Land of chocolates. Polish? Do I look Polish? Polish. That's the first time people said that to me. Like I've had kind of everything already. I could implement the resizing stuff right now, but I first want to get this working. I will add the other ones already. Is resizing right, left. But error int 0, error plus equals How are you doing? I'm doing fine. A little bit of a headache, but that's about it. Yeah, it's been going good. Next month will be a lot more busy because next kids. Let's see how that will go. If I can still get my work done. Is clip being moved? I am doing that. So get track data. We set this to true. If is dragging. GoZen server dot clip moving through. We need to modulate. Come on. Oh, we cannot do that. No. We use self-modulate on that one. Okay, no. If is dragging, get track data, else we return null. And how are you guys doing all in chat? There are 5 people watching right now. Oh, in landscape mode, apparently you cannot zoom in on the video itself. Resizing. Project resize clip idea is resizing lefts. Hey, I just woke up. Good morning. I woke up 2.5 hours ago. Match a notification type. Notification drag and if is dragging should be false. And then server dot clip moving should also be false, and the modulate color should go back to okay. Hopefully kid still sleeps a bit more so I can watch. No, my kid is awake, but my wife is also at home. This is the first time that I'm streaming that my family is present in the background. Just relaxing on a holiday. It's weekend. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Normally clip moving should work now, but the playhead will cause issues again. Yes, it does. But no, yeah, no. Why is the clip head moving before? Is it like a too long delay? Or do we need to introduce some kind of delay? My partner works night, I'm alone with the kids. Ooh. So you're talking about your kids. Recently, my kid, he wakes up at the same time that I wake up. At 5 o'clock. Which, yeah, does not make it very easy to have a relaxing morning. Okay. I don't... I kind of want to get the resizing done today as well. That will be a big one if I could also do that. But the moving is causing issues. So I move the clip and then the playhead is stuck because it thought it was moving. How about I put this on input? Input event. I just change this to no, whoops. It's new of him. I got too used to using it, and now yeah. Oh wait, we already have. We have an input. I got too used to using NeoVim for just typing out stuff, and then I discovered the whole like Vim motions, and since that moment I don't really want to use anything else than Vim. And also with this keyboard, it's so nice to use. It's so convenient and easy. I don't need to move my hands anymore. I can be extra lazy. Okay, let's see if putting it under input works. Oh, you're one of those Vim no, not at all. Not at all. I'm probably still quite inefficient with using. If I would be able to have NeoVim into Godot, that will be helpful, but it will also cause a couple of issues. Let's switch to this screen. So the whole problem right now that I'm having with NeoVim is because I work on a video editor. And even if I were to be able to get NeoVim inside of Godot with all my settings and shortcuts, then it would still cause issues because I need to switch too often to a normal terminal to build the GD extensions. GD extensions, you cannot build them directly from Godot. You can also not, I think if you were to implement NeoVim inside of Godot, I could technically also work on the C++ code of things. But still, I still need to switch to be able to get the Nandatake to get the I forgot what I was saying. So inside of Godot, if I were to have NeoVim, I would still need to switch to a terminal to build the GD extension. But it's for that I just use Tmux. I can have one window for editing in NeoVim, quick shortcut to switch to the other one to build the GD extension, and I can quickly switch to the main screen of Godot to work in the project. I don't need to switch between the tabs inside of Godot itself, which is saving a little bit of time. So yeah, command line. Command line, so. Oh wow, there's a big delay on this chat. I did not think there was a delay on this chat on the stream. I will, like, right now I'm using stream elements for this chat on the screen that you see over here. So this chat is done with stream elements. I think I'll just use the built-in YouTube live stream stuff. And I'll just resize it according to that, because apparently, like, I did not know that, but in browser elements inside of OBS, you can add custom CMS. So I could remove the background and such. So that could be a solution. And I think that's probably what I will be doing. Yeah, kind of delayed, but it's fine. Yeah, but I think I could possibly get this to be a lot better. I could kind of have a try right now. So if I add a new browser element, okay, you'll start seeing things happen on screen. Nope. I thought I copied this. Okay. Oh wait, that's a no. Okay, so we have this. I can resize it or not. Oh, okay, so wait, let's type something in chat so I can see which updates faster. Let's first do that before I try to do this. I'll probably do this at a later time anyway, to get the chat properly working without the stream element stuff. Test. Okay, yeah, no, this is a lot. Well, this is faster. Okay, well, this is something I'll do later on. I forgot the whole resizing of browser elements is not as simple. Yeah, no, the whole sizing is off then. Okay, have a good night. And I will go back to this. Okay, and there's again the error happening from couldn't remove. Okay, I need more information for this error to be fixed. And let's just take this. I need to know what is happening here. This should be working without issues. Why does it not work without issues? Alt. Okay. So when this error pops up again, I'll be able to see what I can do about this. I don't know how you can do programming so early in the morning. I'm a morning person. I'm pretty much a morning person. I wake up at 5 o'clock, sometimes 4, sometimes at 2 without me wanting to, but I'm a lot more clear thinking in the morning, and from the afternoon, if I went outside in the early morning or early afternoon or late afternoon, the moment I get home, my whole evening is basically me being too tired to do anything. So yeah, I'm a morning person. So this did not change anything. Playhead moving. Wait, where do we actually set the playhead moving? Okay, we set it in here, but we should probably have some kind of like... I wish I could check on which element it is. If it's on side of a clip, that this does not get set. That could save a lot of problems. Is there like event dots? Is like anything that I can like do to check which nodes the mouse went through? Like, so we set the mouse filter on mouse filter pass. Asagata. Is connect? No. Take no. Is there like... No. Is there a way to check if I'm pressing a button on screen and that the filter passes through that or not? If there will be, where would it be? Get 3. Let's have a quick look. How check which... Once again, the correct way to check if node... No, R knows bad, no. Input singleton. That could be an option. Get signal, set crap, no. Is anything pressed? Just so if any action key, joypad. No. No, that's not it. I remember there being something like that. To like check. I have an idea. It's not a very nice one, but input dot what's the no set get viewport set input as handled. Set input as handled. this could work, but it also could introduce different issues. Okay, so, oh. Okay, this is doing something, like it's still not allowing me to drag the clip on. Can't remove clip ID 1 with PTS 15 from track 1. Why does it keep wanting to remove from track 1? So the track is not being properly updated, I guess. Yeah, they're like fake instances again. I cannot. So the data is not being properly handled. Do we set a new? Wait. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm a dum-dum. So we get the track ID, but we never set a new track ID. Okay, well, that problem's fixed. We don't even need to create this old track ID. So let's just quickly copy this. Let's copy this again. If you get return values from things like erase, they're very helpful to use because it can easily show you where problems are in your code. Okay, so normally that moving issue will be solved now. Let's add this. Yay. Yay. We still cannot add it on top of the main clip. Let's quickly solve that problem. Add track, nope, add clip. No, wait. I think that's because of here. But then basically in GoZen server, we don't really need to do this whole clip moving thing anymore. Oh, oops. Squashing bugs. Well, are they bugs? Because it's basically still non-working code. It's not like it was working before inside of the main GoZen. Like in GoZen Lite, the script on the right side here, and GoZen Lite on the script on the right side. In here, things were working. Well, working. GoZen Lite is in like a state it's usable, but the performance is bad. Like, I already talked a little bit about how I increased the performance of the normal GoZen, but it works a lot smoother. And there will be such a big difference. Like, the speeds, like the performance right now, it was not that big of a problem, but it was a slight problem because it caused crashing every now and then. I don't know if it was Godot related or just because of my code messing things up. But I have noticed, especially in this version, I'm using Godot version 4.3. If there are too many calls, Godot just crashes. And I've been having that issue a lot yesterday, which was very annoying when I was trying to get things working. So, okay, clip moving. We should probably have this all gone. Are we setting? So now I'm starting to wonder that if the pass is working, but there's a problem with my fits function. So on fits, print exclude, wrongly spelled, out of... I think that's a possibility. But on the other hand, I was looking at the memory usage and I could not see anything like that happening. So I'm still not certain what exactly happened. Oh. I'm still not exactly certain like what's happened. Wait. Okay, so over here at excluded clip, let's print that quickly. Oh, oops. Allez. We need to check if the APTS is the same. Okay, I think I may have found a possible bug with moving. First of all, we not... Wait, if L track PTS in range. I don't think we need to probably check as well if it's in, like, if it's the excluded clip, we need to make certain that that clip is also actually like in the correct track or not. Because right now, if you have two clips that are in, like, start at frame 0, at PTS 0, then this could also... If excluded clip is -1, then we just return false. Elif. And here we need to check if it's actually in the correct area or not. So in the correct track. So we need to, if a track get clip track a oh wow, my brain is having a meltdown. So it can fit if the exclude... No, wait. So you go through all the start points of all the clips in each track. If the clip that we're trying to move is in the same track, and the APTS... No, No, first we need to... Okay, let's cut this one. I don't actually need my headphones. I don't know why I keep wearing them. So first we need to check if the PTS is the same as the clip PTS. If this is not the case, let me return false. No. I do the same with my headphones. I normally don't like wearing headphones, but for some reason when I do live streaming, I always wear my headphones, even if nothing is playing. So we need to skip it. So oh yeah, no, I think godot crashed again. Yes, godot crashed again. I know what that means. I also need to exit NeoVim because for some reason, if you restart Godot, it does not want to connect to the previous server. Oh wow. I did not think the air conditioning is kind of noisy. Is this audible? Can you hear the air conditioning in the background or not? I don't see anything on the audio capture, so I have no idea. Nope, you're good. Yay. It's not a great mic, but at least I can block the air conditioning. Oh. How do I do this? So we're moving. Right now, it is going on the test. So APTS is not the same as getClip PTS. Wait, why is getClip PTS minus? That, eh? Why is APTS minus? Oh no, we're checking against okay. We're checking against a range. The APTS cannot be the same as the PTS from the excluded clip. So we need to check against L track PTS. Oh, I don't know how I keep doing it. Okay, so we could basically have this back at one statement. Oh, whoops. Voila. And I guess that's the moving finished. There is a whole like outline thing on the button, and I tried to fix it, but it's like not really listening to me. So we set the theme property normal hover pressed to the same. So what is that thing that keeps happening? Theme overrides, styles, focus. Focus. I will change the whole layout stuff of the track clips, buttons. So it's more noticeable which ones you have pressed and such, but that's something for later. Okay. That part is working. Now the resizing. But on the other hand, how long have I been streaming right now? Almost 2 hours. I think I'll do this. I think I'll keep the resizing for another stream because I think that will probably take another hour or two. Oh well, for the first stream of this month, went kind of good. So let's quickly commit. Effects panel, what did I add here? Well, let's add this as well. Timeline, main scene. What did I change in here? Oh well. Let's commit this. Moving clips. And voila. Okay, and that's basically it for the stream. I think I'll make an end to it. I don't think there's that much more that I could do in this kind of like limited amount of time. So yeah, one more time. Well, one more time. I don't think I have mentioned it yet. But a big thanks to all my Ko-fi supporters. They make it possible for me to keep working on GoZen without feeling too much stress. And yeah, thanks for watching for the people who are still present. There have been 5 people watching at all times. Only 2 people in chat. Kind of strange, but oh well. I'll try to do more of these live streams. I got kind of a schedule kind of lined out, if I can find it. So I'm planning on doing more streams, like weekly streams for some time. If I can find it. So the next stream will probably be planned on the maybe 7th, 8th in the evening. But that's a weekday, so I'm not certain how well weekdays will do because, yeah, I'm still kind of a small channel. Oh, hey, Manpreet. So, yeah, 7th or 8th I may stream. On the 12th in the evening I may stream, but there's a friend visiting, so not certain. So next weekend we'll probably be streaming on the 13th. In the evening, Sunday evening. And from that moment on, it will basically be every Saturday or Saturday morning or Saturday evening, Japan time, that I'll be streaming. But yeah, thanks you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye. And up to the new thanks for watching screen. Thanks for watching.